very foggy. Lots of rain. Oh, there's my kitty cat. You go inside? It's wet out there. Lots of rain. I actually covered my compost because I just wanted to stay a little bit dry. Oh, that plantain plant is leaning. Hopefully it just won't fall over. Lots of rain. Just a slow and steady rain all day long. You can see it's puddling, not absorbing in the ground. Muffin! Oh, you want a sunny day too? I know you do. It's been raining all day. My clothes on the line. My seeds. Oh, I should put those upstairs so they don't get too wet. Bueno. Got more laundry out. I put some laundry soap in there. Oh yeah, these are getting too wet. Too wet. I gotta put those up stairs. Oh Lord. Wait. Oh Lord. Up here. Dang. I think some of my seeds are old and moldy, not so good. We'll see. I planted these on the 17th. Green onion, zinnia, arugula, dill. There's one that's called purpura. It's like a, I don't know how to call it, a purple leaf, like lettuce, purple lettuce, I don't know. Cilantro, chamomile, and then this is a line of spinach going that way. Oh, I feel like it's raining harder. Planted some chayotes over there. It's time to go inside. Okay, I rescued my seeds. Oh, raining harder. Vamos, mama. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. I just gave you your dinner. Oh, Lordy, oh, Lord.